guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some bomb one curls on Kyra's hair, and this is going to be a semi how to one curl, how to pin curl type video. And if you would like to see more of my technique with one curling, then make sure you stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be using this Remington wand curler that I got from Walmart. I'm not sure of the price, but this wand curler is great for beginners. The temp starts off at around 210 degrees and goes up to 420. I'm also going to be using this Cantu heat protectant spray, and it shields your hair from up to 425 degrees, which is awesome for when you're wand curling your hair. It also is a mist-based consistency, which is great because it won't weigh down your curls. After I section the hair off, I like to take smaller sections, and I just take my wand curler and I put it in a downward direction, and I like to put the hair in front of the coil instead of behind the coil because it just gives it a better look when your curls are going away from your face instead of towards your face. Yes, for the curls. Curls for the girls. So now I'm going to start pin curling her hair, and all I do is I just go to the bottom of the curl and I insert my finger into the spiral of the curl, and I just work my way up, and it's literally the easiest thing. Like, all you do is go in the direction that the curl is going in, and then you just place it at the root of the head and then just apply a bobby pin, and that easy.